So what I'm going to do today is we'll do some sashimi and like a really thinly sliced sashimi. This kind of fish not really good to do thick slice because its muscle tissue is quite strong, quite tough, and can be really chewy. So when I make sashimi, I tend to slice them really thin. And we are going to use the engala, which the skirt part is really fatty, really rich. Make some nice nigiri. Turbot is one of the harder ones to take off because its skin is lumpy, like really hard lumps. But with a bit of practice, you'll get there. And again, start from tail and knife away from the body. Then we'll take the engala off. And the key to slice thin is actually don't get close to the top of the fillet. You push the knife down a little bit. So you push the fish into the chopping board and then you just slice it almost like a scraping off a tiny bit from the fillet. And you get that really thin, beautiful. And just always thinking of shaving the fish off the fillet. Look at the rice bowl. Don't want to push too hard. Light, airy, there's still plenty of gap. And lay my ingredient over. Grab it. Gently from the shape. I'm not pushing it down anyway. I'm just creating a cavity and then sort of force the fish and the rice to bind into that space, but not squeezing at all. Okay, like that. If you're feeling like the rice is sort of pushing up on the side of your fingers a little bit, lift the fish up, thumbs in, and then press just gently. And turn that round, lift the fish out, press that in gently. Okay, as you see, beautiful fish. I very rarely use symmetry in my plating because if you start using those symmetries and geometrical shapes, any tiny bit of imbalance, it looks odd. So I try to play things slightly lopsided, makes it a bit easier to look good. Squeeze some lime over. When you squeeze lime, always let the juice run over the skin. So give it a rub. So the oil get squashed out from the skin and that makes the plate really fragrant. Just use some chili sauce over. Don't need too much because this is quite reduced. And for the sashimi, just drip it on. Just going to put some zest over.